What's the meaning of Cro-Magnon man? Cro-Magnon man. Cro-Magnon man.
Cro-Magnon man. Cro-Magnon man.
Cro-Magnon man refers to the early modern humans, Homo sapiens, who lived in Europe about 40,000 to 10,000 years ago. They were named after the rock shelter in France where their fossils were first discovered in the 19th century. The Cro-Magnon people were physically similar to modern humans, with taller and more gracile bodies than their Neanderthal contemporaries. They were skilled hunters and gatherers, creating sophisticated tools and art, including cave paintings. Their advanced culture is evidence of the remarkable cognitive abilities that distinguish our species from others.